Hi guys, this is Siva Reddy. Welcome to Core Java Tutorials. In this session, I will explain HashSet implementation in collections. I will explain this HashSet concept using an example. So I am going to start my Eclipse and I create a new class. Class name I am giving as HashSet demo and I am selecting the main method. Click finish. So HashSet is the one of the implementation of the set interface. So I am using the generic concept while creating the HashSet implementation. So set string, that means it will allow only string objects equal to new HashSet, new HashSet. First I will explain using the string objects. Later I will explain with how using the user-defined object. So this should be from the java.udl package, and now I am going to add few string objects to this hash set. I am giving as a value 1, and similarly I want to add few more string object to this. So value 2, value 3 and value 4. So once I added 4 string object to the hash set, I am going to iterate using the for each loop. So string value of hash set, and I am going to print this value. Okay, that's all. So let us run this program and then I will explain concept of hash set. So if you see the output, value 3, value 4, value 1 and value 2. So the concept is the hash set does not maintain the insertion order, and second one is it does not allow duplicates. So now I am going to add one more value to the hash set dot add value 4. So I already added to the hash set, but once again I am adding this value 4 to the hash set. When I run this program, you do not find value 4 two times. That means, so if you see the output, still the output is 4 elements. So hash set does not allow the duplicates, and also if you see the output, it does not maintain the insertion order. Whatever the order we are going to insert to the hash set, it will not be maintained. So in your project, the requirement is like you do not bother about the insertion order, and the requirement is it needs to be remove the duplicates. Then the best choice of the collection is hash set. Okay, hope this concept is clear, and next I am going to show you how we are going to implement hash set for the user defined objects. So I am removing this few lines of the code, and now I am going to explain how to implement the user defined object for the hash set. In order to create an object, we need to have a one class. So I created an employee class, and in this class I have two member variables, that is private int employee ID, private string employee name, and then I have a constructor to initialize these two member variables, and also created setter and getters method, these two properties, and then at the last I created a display method to display this employee ID and employee name. Now I am going to use this employee class to demonstrate the hash set implementation for the user defined objects. So now I am going to create few employee objects, emp1 equal to new employee. I am giving 101, and name I am giving as a Siva Reddy. Okay, like that I am going to add few more objects, create a few more employee objects. So employee 2, employee 3, employee 4, employee ID giving as a 102, 103, 104, and names also I am going to change to 4, 2, 1. So I created 4 employee objects. Now I am going to add this employee object to the HashSet. So HashSet dot add emp1. Okay, and then one second. Sorry, I need to change this implementation to the employee because I am adding the employee object to the HashSet. So I need to change to the employee employee. So I am going to add this 4 employee object to the HashSet 2, 3, and 4. Now I added this 4 employee object to the HashSet. Now we will go ahead and iterate over this HashSet. So one of the iteration method is for each loop, and I am going to iterate through this HashSet. Okay, HashSet, and this is a colon. Sorry. Okay, now I just want to print this display method. That's all. So when I run this program and see the output, you will see four output of 4 records, but it does not maintain the insertion order. So the HashSet implementation is best suitable if the requirement is like it does not require the insertion order, and you don't want any duplicates in this collection. The best choice is HashSet. Hope this concept is clear. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment on my YouTube video.